You support him for second term 2027?
Absolutely.
You support him 100%?
Absolutely.
Take a bet. Speak for the elders of River State. Do they support him for second term? Has he satisfied the elders and the people of River State? Do you think, from your feelers, you are a leader in your own right? Definitely.
Yes. In the sense that the support Fubara has is organic. And you know what's very peculiar, if you like, or why we have a soft spot for Similai Fubara? He's not a politician. Really? But he'll be angry with me because I say, but I mean no disrespect. He's an accountant, and he accounts for our money. Okay. Politicians don't account for our money. SYMFONI accounts for our money.
Now, let's leave Rivers now and come to the national. 2027, is it a done deal, or has it been brought back into play because of global issues, the bombing of terrorists in Sokoto by the US? I mean, even a day and a half ago, we woke up to the news, America went to Venezuela, took out the president, brought him to America and all of that. What's the state of play concerning 2027? It's a slam dunk for the president, isn't it?
Well, from what I'm seeing, a few days ago, I said that I've studied a bit of Tinubu, and one thing I've come to realize is that politically, Tinubu knows what he's doing, and he knows how to go about it. Could be wrong, could be right, but he goes about it the way he believes he can get it, and he gets it. Tinubu could have made himself president when he made Buhari president. But Tinubu knew that was not the right time. He used Jonathan to make Buhari president. And then, when he wanted to be president, he still went to Jonathan. I don't know what they discussed. But my type of politics, if I go into politics, but because of the way they do politics, I'll never go into politics in Nigeria, is that if you say that a man drinks ogogoro and therefore he shouldn't be the president of Nigeria, that's what you say. For you to go to him and say you want to be president, it means that he's no longer drinking ogogoro. Or that he's still drinking the ogogoro, but now you want to be president. It really doesn't matter. So then why did it matter when he was president? So I'm yet to see. I remember independence of Nigeria very well. And I know the story of independence of Nigeria. I know Okilo's involvement. I know what Okilo's vote meant before independence, and how he could not have done this or done that. Now, I am yet to see a president of Nigeria that did better than Jonathan started off to do if he was allowed. So what some people who say they are politicians actually want to do in Nigeria is not politics. What they want to do is control whatever God has blessed all the parts of Nigeria. The things I'm hearing that is in the north in terms of resources, I'm astounded. And I mean, if you look at it, it's definitely more than what we have in the Niger Delta right now.
Has the president performed, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu? Has it met your expectation? Has it delivered for Nigeria? Yes or no?
No.
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 Would you support him in 2027? And who would you support if you are not supporting him?
Who is there?
Who is there?
Yeah.
Former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, Mr. Peter Obi, Rabiu Musa Kwankwanso, and a slew of others in the smaller parties. Well, I mean, these three heavyweights.
I am yet to see.
Give us your own ideal president.
Simple.
Yes.
My ideal president.
A name, a face.
That's why, I mean, if you woke me up right now, if I were asleep and you woke me up at 3 o'clock in the morning and say, out of everyone that wants to be president, who is the ideal president? People might expect me to say Obi. Now, they will expect me to say Obi because Obi has a track record in Anambra as a governor. So, he may be a good president because he has been a good governor. Now, any other person that I see today that wants to be a president or has been a president, the only person, and this is not because he's from the same ethnic nationality with me, is Goodluck Jonathan.
So you wouldn't mind former President Goodluck Jonathan coming back to?
I will mind. What's he come to do? No, what's he come to do? It's like somebody it's like a woman, I divorce a man.
He has an unfinished
and then,
business.
No, he has no unfinished business. The only unfinished business Goodluck Jonathan has is to make sure that his people are raised up. That's the only unfinished business he has. He has no unfinished business with Nigeria. They didn't want him. So he has no unfinished business with them. He may think he does, but I don't think he does.